Hey guys, what's up? It's the Electrical Code Coach. So I just want to talk to you a few minutes before we start launching the 2020 content. So you guys are at all different stages, and I'm so excited to be a part of every one of your guys' stages. But we're getting ready to start dropping a lot of 2020 content, and it's going to have 2020 in the title. And I'm going to start putting 2017 in the title for the 2017 content. If you are testing right now, do not watch the 2020 content unless that's your code cycle. Don't even watch it right now. I know it's so tempting to be in there, to be advancing, to be talking about the future code. There's a couple major reasons. For one, it may throw you off track for something that you just learned for your testing on the 2017. For two, you may never adopt that code cycle. If you're new to the game or hadn't followed the code before, your area may not adopt every single code cycle. It may skip a cycle and then skip a cycle and then skip a cycle. So, I love being obsessed with the new code. Okay, I love it. But if you're testing or if you're thinking about testing right now, you need to find out what cycle your state is on, and then you need to be working on that. Even if you think they're going to be changing to the 2020 soon, and you're on the 17 right now, you need to be staying on the 17. It is super important, you guys, that you are learning content and staying in the zone with the cycle that you're on right now. Okay, because it can get so confusing and you'll get so lost, and you'll end up getting in the test or practicing and you'll be so lost. So there's nothing wrong with checking out a little bit of the 2020 content as I drop it. And it's going to be there for you as a free resource, guys. So don't worry, it's not going anywhere, okay? And then once you get your license and you want to move and you want to just start knowing what they are. And listen, you may have already found out that you're not going to ever adopt the 2020. But if you're past your testing point and you're never going to adopt the 2020, I still want you to listen to all the content, because what happens is that in 2023, if you do adopt it, is that if you've not known some of the changes that were in the 2020, it's not going to be a change now in the 2023. It's going to be part of the code as it is. So it's not going to be highlighted anymore in that code book. So I really encourage you, go over all of our 2020 content as the time comes. It's not going anywhere, guys. It's a free resource for you for life. Okay, I just want to see you win. But if you're testing right now or you're thinking about testing, only work on the code cycle that you're in right now. It's super important. I really encourage you guys. I can't wait to see you win. And please email with me. It's just so encouraging hearing you guys how the program's helping you, how it's changing your life. If there's anything that you want to see a video, you can leave it in the comments below or leave it in the comment in any video. And I'm trying to work on that content. We're going to be not broadcasting. I just got done broadcasting for Execute Radio. We are going to be uploading on this channel Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 8 p.m. right around 8 p.m. depending on how everything sets on YouTube. But so that way you guys can know the schedule. I'm going to be dropping other smaller videos potentially in between, but you can count on a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday like clockwork on this channel. So I really encourage you guys, please like and subscribe if you've not done so far. And this channel is all about the code and all about seeing you win. So let's get to it.